You're my good luck charm.
Looks like you're my good luck charm, water snake.
You're my good luck charm. You're my good luck charm.
Could you tell me what he said? You're my good luck charm. Let's suppose you're about to take an important exam or play in a big game, and every time your friend comes along, things always seem to go right. Smiling, you say, "You're my good luck charm." It means a person or object that is thought to bring good luck or positive outcomes. A good luck charm can be a person, item, or even a habit that someone believes helps them succeed or stay lucky. It's a mix of affection and superstition. It's said when someone, or something, is believed to bring good fortune or success.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Yeah, that's a good idea. Yeah, that's a good idea.
Could you tell me what he said? Yeah, that's a good idea. Let's suppose you and your friend are brainstorming weekend plans, and your friend suggests going for a short road trip instead of staying home. You nod and say, "Yeah, that's a good idea." It means I agree with your suggestion. It sounds smart or reasonable. The phrase is a friendly and natural way in American English to show support or positive reaction to someone's plan, thought, or advice.
You look like you've seen a ghost.
You look like you've seen a ghost. You look like you've seen a ghost. You look like you've seen a ghost.
Could you tell me what he said? You look like you've seen a ghost. Let's suppose your friend walks into the room looking pale, shocked, and speechless, maybe after hearing surprising news or witnessing something scary. You'd say, "You look like you've seen a ghost." It means you look very scared, shocked, or surprised, as if you just witnessed something frightening. The phrase comes from the old belief that seeing a ghost would make a person go pale and speechless.
It's like riding a bike, isn't it?
It's like riding a bike.
It's like riding a bike, isn't it? It's like riding a bike, isn't it?
Could you tell me what he said? It's like riding a bike. Let's suppose you haven't played the guitar in years, but when you pick it up again, your fingers just know what to do. Your friend smiles and says, "See? It's like riding a bike." It means once you learn something well, you never really forget how to do it. It's used when someone easily remembers how to do something they haven't done in a long time. The phrase comes from the idea that riding a bike is a skill you retain for life even after years without practice.
It's a matter of life and death. It's a matter of life and death. It's a matter of life and death.
Could you tell me what he said? It's a matter of life and death. Let's suppose your friend's stuck in traffic, and you're rushing him to pick up his sister who fainted at home. You call him and shout, "Hurry up, man, it's a matter of life and death." It means something extremely important or urgent, often involving serious consequences. It's used when something is so serious or urgent that waiting isn't an option. The phrase emphasizes the highest level of urgency.
Who the hell do you think you're talking to? Who the hell do you think you're talking to? Who the hell do you think you're talking to?
Could you tell me what he said? Hell do you think you're talking to? Let's suppose someone suddenly talks to you in a rude or disrespectful way. Maybe a younger coworker snaps at you or a stranger raises their voice. You glare at them and say, "Hell do you think you're talking to?" It means you're demanding respect and reminding the other person they're out of line or being rude. It's used when you want to confront someone for being disrespectful or forgetting their place. The word hell adds anger or intensity. People use it to assert authority or dignity when someone crosses the line in how they speak to you.
I know what you must be thinking. Poor little rich girl.
Little rich girl. Poor little rich girl.
Could you tell me what he said? Poor little rich girl. Let's suppose there's a wealthy young woman who has everything: luxury cars, a big house, fancy clothes, but she still complains about her life being hard because her dad didn't buy her the newest phone. Someone might roll their eyes and say, "Poor little rich girl." It means a wealthy person who's pitted ironically for small or superficial problems. It's used sarcastically when a rich person complains about something trivial.
Maybe this is a bad idea.
It's a bad idea.
Maybe this is a bad idea.
It's a bad idea.
Maybe this is a bad idea.
It's a bad idea.
Could you tell me what she said? Maybe this is a bad idea. Let's suppose you and your friend sneak onto a rooftop to watch the city lights, but suddenly the wind gets stronger and the ledge feels unsafe. You hesitate and say, "Maybe this is a bad idea." It means you're beginning to doubt whether what you're doing is wise or will turn out well. This phrase often signals hesitation or second thoughts. It's used when you start realizing that something you planned might not be smart or safe after all.
You've been a bad, bad boy and I need to punish you. You've been a bad, bad boy and I need to punish you. You've been a bad, bad boy and I need to punish you.
Could you tell me what she said? You've been a bad boy and I need to punish you. Let's suppose a mom catches her little son sneaking cookies before dinner. She folds her arms, gives a playful smile, and says, "You've been a bad boy." It means you did something you weren't supposed to, often said in a teasing or humorous way. It's often used jokingly or lightly when someone has done something naughty or mischievous, but not seriously wrong.
To determine what's good and what's bad. To determine what's good and what's bad. To determine what's good and what's bad.
Could you tell me what he said? Who is to determine what's good and what's bad? Let's suppose two friends are debating whether a movie is morally acceptable or not. One says it's fine, the other says it's inappropriate. You shrug and say, who is to determine what's good and what's bad? It means it's hard to say who has the right to decide what is morally right or wrong. It's used when questioning who has the authority to judge right from wrong.
Mud is Yahoo.
So Yahoo went up another 5 points today.
Mud is Yahoo. Mud is Yahoo.
Could you tell me what he said? I think it's modest Yahoo. Let's suppose someone sees another person acting wild, loud, or extremely uncivilized, maybe shouting and jumping around in a park for no reason. You might say, I think it's a modest Yahoo. It means a rude, uncivilized, or boisterous person. The term Yahoo originates from Swift's Gulliver's Travels, referring to uncultured, barbaric humans. Here, Yahoo is used to describe a person behaving in a crude, uncultured, or unruly way. In American English, it's often used humorously or critically to describe someone behaving badly, foolishly, or uncultured.
Going to the Super Bowl to enjoy men the way the Romans did. Going to the Super Bowl to enjoy men the way the Romans did. Going to the Super Bowl to enjoy men the way the Romans did.
Could you tell me what she said? We are going to Super Bowl to enjoy men the way the Romans did. Let's suppose a group of friends plans to watch the big football championship together, eat snacks, and enjoy the festivities. Someone says, we are going to the Super Bowl to enjoy it like the Romans did. It means the annual championship game of American football, celebrated with festivities, food, and entertainment. The Super Bowl is not just a sports event, it's a cultural phenomenon in the US. People gather to watch the game, commercials, and halftime shows, often hosting or attending parties.
Super smart and super cocky. Still super cocky, I see. Super smart and super cocky. Still super cocky, I see. Super smart and super cocky. Still super cocky, I see.
Could you tell me what she said? Super smart and super cocky. Let's suppose a student solves a very difficult math problem in class and then brags about it loudly, showing off. You might whisper to a friend, he's super smart and super cocky. It means extremely intelligent, but also excessively self-confident or arrogant. The addition of super intensifies cocky, highlighting that the person's arrogance or overconfidence is very obvious and extreme. It often carries a negative tone, suggesting the person is showing off too much.
That well, the only goddamn mirror with any good light is in there. What? That well, the only goddamn mirror with any good light is in there. What? That well, the only goddamn mirror with any good light is in there.
What? Could you tell me what she said? Well, the only goddamn mirror with any good light is in there. Let's suppose you're getting ready for a night out and searching for a mirror with good lighting. You discover the only decent one is in a tiny bathroom. Frustrated, you say, well, the only goddamn mirror with any good light is in there. It means used to strongly emphasize something, often showing irritation or anger. Here, goddamn is used to express strong emotion, frustration, annoyance, or emphasis.
We still have Shane's goodie package.
Goody, yes!
Mr. Goody Two Shoes?
We still have Shane's goodie package. We still have Shane's goodie package.
Could you tell me what she said? We still have Shane's goodie package. Let's suppose you're at a party and someone brings a bag of candies, small toys, or treats. You notice it and say, we still have Shane's goodie package. It means a treat, small gift, or something pleasant or desirable. Here, goodie refers to a small gift, treat, or something enjoyable.
Like mother, like daughter.
Like mother, like daughter, right?
Like mother, like daughter. Like mother, like daughter.
Could you tell me what she said? Like mother, like daughter. Let's suppose a daughter shows the same talent for painting as her mother, or they share the same stubbornness. Someone watching might say, like mother, like daughter. It means children often resemble or behave like their parents, especially in character or habits. It's used when a child shows similar traits, habits, or behaviors as their parent. It can refer to positive traits, negative traits, or just noticeable habits.
You pick one of them out. You lock eyes with them. If I saw you on a train, okay, listen, I would lock eyes with you. If I saw you on a train, okay, listen, I would lock eyes with you.
Could you tell me what he said? If I saw you on a train, okay, listen, I would lock eyes with you. Just imagine you're both standing on a crowded train platform. The doors open and for a moment your eyes meet across the crowd. You hold that gaze, deliberate, intense, and a little flirty, and someone might say, if I saw you on a train, I would lock eyes with you. It means to make and hold eye contact in a deliberate, meaningful, often flirtatious way. It's used when someone wants to show interest or make a strong, wordless connection or the desire to communicate silently.
They don't exactly see eye to eye on things.
Oh, you and me don't exactly see eye to eye on certain things. Oh, you and me don't exactly see eye to eye on certain things. Oh, you and me don't exactly see eye to eye on certain things.
Could you tell me what he said? I know you and me don't exactly see eye to eye on certain things. Let's suppose you and a friend are planning a road trip. You want to take the scenic route. They want to go the fastest way. You sigh and say, I know you and me don't exactly see eye to eye on certain things. It means to agree with someone or share the same opinion. It's often used to describe situations where people either agree, see eye to eye, or disagree, don't see eye to eye, on ideas, plans, or opinions. It's used when two people don't completely agree or share the same opinion. If this video has taught you something new, please like and subscribe.